distinct color. Today is about flowers. Flowers are beautiful. They have petals and sepals. Male flowers have anther and filament. Female flowers have stigma, style, and ovary.